Good morning. I'm Dr. Yatin Mehta, Chairman of Critical Care and Anesthesiology at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram, outskirts of New Delhi, India. I have been using DocBox for many years and I find it a very good uh, equipment to have with us in the intensive care unit. It has a continuous monitoring of all the electronic gadgets which are attached to the patient. Therefore, you can correlate them together, or you can go back in time till 24 hours to retrace any incident if it has happened during that time. You can correlate it along with your radiographic findings. All the X-rays, CTs, MRI and angiograms can be retrieved from it. All the labs can be retrieved from it, so you can correlate them together. And ventilatory settings and hemodynamic medications and hemodynamic status, you can all look at it together, or you can see it in a graphical form for the last 24 hours. So it's a very useful tool to have. In the present times, particularly when there is a shortage of trained medical staff in the COVID times, and the exposure of the staff needs to be restricted unless it is absolutely necessary to the COVID patients, this may be a very useful tool to have, because you can do remote monitoring sitting outside the COVID rooms and look at all the parameters and give you instructions, and you place orders also in that. So all the other issues besides the medical issues, from the administrative point of view, the bed occupancy, the billing if it is done appropriately, all of that can be very nicely controlled. So it's a very useful critical care assistant to the critical care physician.